Let's create your first project in marcomauto. From the Projects page, click New Project to start a new campaign workspace. You can start from a built-in template, or from templates you save later for your own workflow. For a clean starting point, choose the full image background layout. Next, give the campaign a clear project name. For this example, I will name it Summer Sale Campaign. Below the project name, choose the languages you want this campaign to include. These languages come from the options you set up in your account settings. Only the selected languages will appear inside this project, so choose the versions you actually need. Once the project is created, marcomauto opens the editor. The main canvas now includes the languages you selected during setup. Use the language buttons in the top toolbar to focus on one language version at a time. Each time you switch languages, the active canvas updates to that language version. Before designing, look at the right panel. This is where you choose the campaign sizes. Select every size you want to include in the final campaign deliverables. For example, you can add LinkedIn, Snapchat, X, Square, landscape, and portrait formats. The project now contains several dimensions, plus the default square size. To review all selected sizes together, switch to Grid View. Grid View shows every size in the campaign, so you can compare layouts quickly. You can adjust the number of columns or group the canvases by category or orientation. Grouping by category follows the category assigned to each dimension. For example, these social media dimensions appear together because they come from the same category. Grouping by orientation organizes the canvases by aspect ratio. You can quickly separate square, wide, and tall formats. When you want to return to single view, select the specific dimension you want to edit. Single view opens that selected size directly. Map view gives you a bird's eye view of the whole campaign structure. Here, you can see the selected languages and all dimensions connected under each language. This helps you understand the campaign as a system, not as separate files. List view gives you another way to scan the full campaign structure. If your account has team members, you can also leave comments and collaborate inside the project.